gonna be kind of a 2-for-1. Unless we find too much stuff, I gotta switch it up and make it 2 videos. We got a Ross here and a Marshall's right over there. About to check out both of these stores in this same video. If you see something you like, make sure you leave a comment and give me some pointers. If you see something I passed over that was worth copping, let me know. Without further ado, let's get inside the building, you dig? There's Presto React Day. Gotta go to many places, many different locations. You gotta find stuff. You never know what it'll be. It won't always be at the same place every time, you know? Last time we came here, I showed you guys this one's a really, really big location also. But you guys know what we do. We always come in and go to the shoes first. After the shoes, we go to the toys and then maybe the apparel. But today we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna go to the shoes and see if I can find anything there worth copping. Of course, the apparel's good, but we're not really gonna mess with that today. We're only gonna go and see what is next, you feel me? All right, so you guys see the back wall here. Not looking too promising right now. You got to get up closer just to look around and see what you really can see, what you really can find out. Feeler slides, nothing too popping. These look like something else, but they're not that. I thought these were some React Prestos, not React Prestos, but Nike Reacts, but they're not. Curry's, Under Armour's as always. Nothing really popping here, man. These damn Cam Newtons. Maybe some people might pick these up because the season's right around the corner, but I don't know, man. Curry's, more Under Armour's, nothing really at this location. Sometimes you can find stuff, sometimes you can't. It's just really hit or miss. That's why you got to go to all different locations. For you guys looking for cleats, these are not too bad. Don't know what you guys think about the green and black cleats, something like a Boston Celtic. Got some Chucks here in a pretty good condition. I'm good. Let me know if you guys are seeing something that I am skipping over, because I'm not seeing anything. Nothing worthwhile today. But that's what I said, it's hit or miss. Got some more of these THRIFTs, which are one of the worst shoes I've ever, I don't know, when they first came out, they had like a little bit of buzz, but then as soon as they dropped, they was like trash. You try them on, super paper thin. Reeboks also, some tubulars. What about these? I think we might have looked these up before. Some of them are good, some of them aren't. They're going for $25. Sometimes you can comp these on eBay for like 50 to 60 bucks, but you might have to wait a while. I'm not in the mood to wait a while. We got to get things that move pretty quickly, you feel me? What are these? Some Brooks. $19. Now you guys know Brooks is a shoe that is low key, but it always does pretty well. So we're gonna look these up right now, and I'll let you guys know what I get afterwards. Find these on clearance, right? Now this is pretty much good because they're only 19 bucks. I've seen them going for like 70 to 80 bucks. These are brand new without the box. We're gonna pull those. $19 for 80. We're going with those. Let's see what else we got over here. Anything else going on? Nothing that I can really think of off the top. That's the thing, that clearance price is what really did it. If these other shoes were on clearance, I probably would make an effort on them too, but they're not. $19 for that is crazy. You got some LeBron Soldiers here. People like the Soldiers. A lot of my audience was telling me they like the Soldiers, but for 59 bucks, I'm good on them. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. This colorway is pretty dope though. These look almost like the championship ones, but they're definitely not. It's pretty dope that LeBron actually played in some Soldiers, which is not the normal signature line, so it makes it, you know, dope for people to wear these as well. This colorway is dope, but we're gonna leave those because that $59 price point is not worth it for me. Let me know if that's something you guys would have picked up. What else we got over here? Nothing really standing out. Nothing really poking out of there. Those cleats look pretty dope, but $29 is over the budget, man. We need some more 1999s. Okay, we've seen these LeBron lows right here, or this other type of LeBron. The outsoles is clean. 59 on these too. They trying to charge for LeBron because they know what's about to happen. There's actually 2 pair of these here. 59 bucks for them. They probably sell for like 100, maybe 90 bucks, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So maybe it's not worth it. Some Pumas here, cop, pass, fire, or trash. Let's go ahead and get these things together. So here's the finds, the best shoes that we found in the house for style, for look and style. Plus you can throw those in there. We're taking these Brooks dead stock, $19 on them, $20 for like 80. That's good. Might sit on them for a little bit, but maybe not. The comp was very recently. These ones are dope too. It's just that price point is crazy. Let me know what you guys think about these, if you guys are a fan or own any pair of these in the comment section below. And if you guys would have picked these up and flipped them, let me know what you guys have done or would do. Of course, I want to know all the feedback down below, you dig? They actually had 3 pair of soldiers. I didn't even see that. 3 pair of soldiers and then 2 pair of these. And like I said, I've seen these before. Never really seen this colorway, but it is pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like I said, Marshalls and Ross always has a lot of selections. You know what I'm saying? A lot of things to choose from. We're gonna go over and just see if I see any toys. But like I said, we holding on to these bad boys right here. Different location. We've seen these before, but as you saw at the other location, they were on clearance for $19. Here they got them for $34. That's the difference in benefits of going to multiple places. Then you got this Pegasus 35, which is a newer shoe. That's hotter shoe. It's more one of the shoes that people are wearing now. For some reason, this just gives me KD Texas vibes when he played for University of Texas. The colorway looks like it. Got the 35 on the side, but these are the Pegasus 35 on sale right now for 49 bucks. These definitely retail at like 120, so that's definitely a good price point. Just wish these could be a little bit cheaper, but that is a good pickup right there. Some Nike Zoom Pegasus 35 for that ticket. That's pretty good. 39 for these Under Armours. Got some soldiers here chilling out, trying to hide. 69 bucks, way too much for some soldiers, especially at a Ross or a Marshalls. Second pair of these. Not mad at the colorway. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? Not quite sure what the retail tag on them is. Seen like 3 pair of these Brooks right here. If they were $19, that would be a go. I don't get it. They got these right here, these New Balances, clean, $17. Size 13. Let's go ahead and take a look at that and see what's going on. I will, if I did take it or something, you'll see how much it's going for. But this one right here looks pretty clean. Brand new pair, 17 bucks. Definitely haven't seen these in this colorway. Like a dark maroon, dark purple with patent leather on them. Cop Pass Fire Trash. These are going for 49 bucks. I don't know if it's worth it or not, but maybe so, man. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? This is something you guys would have picked up or not. They got them in another colorway too, which is cool. Like a navy blue. One time I seen these, dude, 46 also. One time I seen a pair of these, not this colorway, but I wasn't even tripping off of it. I watched another video from somebody else, and they picked up the same shoe I had and sold it for like 140, 150. We had it at the same price point, which was like 25, 30 bucks, but they easily made a good flip off of that. I'm like, man, I should have picked them up. Here for 64 bucks. Got these foam posit Air Force Ones for 69. These are definitely expensive, but they are sitting on the shelf. I don't see a lot of people going after those. Got another pair of those in the white colorway. What do you guys think about them in the comment section below? Got some of these, 44 bucks. Seen them all over the place. Gonna see them a lot more. Dad shoes was popping nowadays for people who aren't even dads, you know what I'm saying? These guest slides look pretty cool, but this is what I'm surprised at. These things are still here, 24 bucks. I have to pause, I have to pass again, man, because nothing I can do with them, man. These are dope. I wanna know what you guys think though. Is this something you guys want? This is like the Hollywood edition of the Pumas, bro. I've seen them before and looked them up. They went for like 60 to 70 bucks. But I don't know, man. Just can't really pull the trigger on them. They do look pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. They are a size 10. If you guys are looking for them, come out to this location and pick them up, man. You dig? So we just left one place. We just left Ross. Now we're headed into Marshalls. Open the doors. The doors is already open, waiting for us to come through. See what we can see. Boom, boom. Got these for 40. Never really seen this one before. Oh, yes, I have. Definitely. 40 bucks as opposed to, what's that, like 120 on the retail? 120. NMDs in this purple colorway. 39 bucks. Laker color. Laker purple. What do you guys think about these? They got a size 10 and a size 13 left. Maybe we'll get it on feet this video. Next shoe. Oh, the Porzingis. Not too bad. 39 bucks. They got a few sizes. Size 14 actually. One size. What's this down here? You always gotta check down on the low, like I said, because sometimes they have stuff down there that's not out. Roshi's 39. These New Balances are not too bad. Okay, the selection so far is not bad. Not bad at all, right? You guys gotta agree. You got some Chucks right next to that. What KD8s is these? So they got KD8s there, but I don't see them out. Okay. This colorway is not too bad. Drum roll on the price point. 69 bucks. That is not what it's supposed to be. It's got to be a lot cheaper than that if they want these things to move. You feel me? Size 8, 11, 10. These ones are not bad. Look very similar to the Calabasas. I just had some Calabasas and sold them on eBay. Some gray ones, some beat up ones. People still going after the Calabasas, man. Not bad at all. These on clearance for $32. Some training shoes. They normally retail for, $75. So, you know, that's not a bad discount off that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. 32 bucks on those. 28 on those. Are these still 16? Or they're 19, I mean. Still 19. Still sitting. I scooped some up thinking they were gonna be something. They sat there. Left them alone, bro. What do you guys think about these things? If you guys know about these cleats, $140 retail on these bad boys, but they go for $19 here. These ones went for $160. $160 and sat. So it's just crazy. I guess it's just the timing. Size 12, 11, and 13. 19 bucks for these. I'm definitely gonna look them up just to see if there's anything worth it, but don't want to sit on these things, bruh. Some more of these Adidas Pod S3.1s. $49 price point for these. I think we might have saw these last time we were here. Also, got a couple sizes left. 11, 8.5, 5, 5.5, 5. New Balances on deck for 39 bucks, 40 bucks. This end has some 3M on it. I think that's pretty fire. These for 39 bucks again. If you guys see these in the store or in the outlet, don't get them. Go to Marshall. You get them for 40 bucks. I like this colorway. This tone of the New Balance is pretty dope. So we're just gonna keep looking before I scan some of these, but I will, as I scan them, put the comps next to it so you guys can see what's going on. We've seen these shock gravities everywhere. $49 on that, not a bad price point. 28 for these Adidas. Some more New Balances. Okay, now it's getting to the whatevers. You know what I'm saying? $39 for these, not too bad either. Down to 28 for the Spectrums, the Puma Spectrums. 39 on those. This colorway is not too bad. 39 on those also. Let me know, man. I'm glad I put these videos together because you just never know what you're gonna get. You can get a lot at one or none at none. You feel me? So at least we found some at both of them to combine this video together, and you guys get to see some dope stuff. This has a Kobe Kyrie feel to it. What do you guys think about those? 29 bucks. Got these Arbitrage. Seen them everywhere. You feel me? Clearance aisle. 24 for those. These polos look pretty plush. $26. I feel like the retail on them will be a little more, so maybe we'll look those up to see what's going on. 36 for those. 36 for these also. These are newer. I think I seen these in the store recently. Shock gravities for 45. Okay, we got some S3 Pod Dot, some Pod S3.1s for 45 bucks in this kind of like a heather gray or just a gray colorway. Looks like it would be my size. It's actually a size 12, so it's a size smaller than mine. Did a review on these shoes. These things are pretty dope, comfortable. If you own a pair of them, let me know in the comment section how they're working for you. $72 on these. I feel like this is a special Roshi. Could be wrong. $72 is still too much, at least for me at this spot. Now, here at the Marshalls, this is a case in point of just, I don't know, this is going for $14.99. I seen it going on Amazon for about almost 40 bucks. I put the price thing next to it, as you guys can see. Part of me is like yes, part of me is like no. I feel like because I made so many comps today that I should pass, but maybe that's just me being scared. Scared money don't make no money, you feel me? So as you can see, kind of a success always. Just left that Marshalls and that Ross down there. Found some pretty good things. Arbitrage is popping, man. If you're not doing it, you got to get into it. So help me out. If you see something, I'll help you out also in the comment section. But Marshalls has some pretty good things. Same thing with Ross. You know, there's a new whole thing I'm trying to do right now, see? And while you're out in places, you got to take advantage of your situations, you feel me? So I'm going to go over here into this big-ass plaza, maybe grab me some Jersey Mike's real quick, and then go head over to Walmart and see what's going on over there, you feel me?